Hello guys, welcome on Coding for Placement. I got request from your side. Please make video on class and object. So now in this video, I am going to explain what is class and object. People are confused in concept of class and object. What is a class and what is object and how to create class and how to use object. So everything in this video I am explaining by step with some example of real. So don't worry if you are confused. Now in this video you get more clear about class and object. So now let's start. So please watch full video, get more clear concept and you never confused between class and object if you watch my full video. So here I'm already write some code and definition, so video note will lengthy. So you have seen the my thumbnail class, learn class and object with Amitabh Bachchan. That is what here not any Amitabh Bachchan explaining something. With Amitabh Bachchan example, I will explain to you how to create class and how to use object and what is object. You get more clear with this example. Okay, I hope so. Make sure you get full video. Watch. So here I'm write class. What is a class? A class is a template of an object. In one line, you can explain, yeah, you can say to anyone, uh, a class is a template of an object. Just it's. But if you want to go inside the logically, then you can say this class provides a means of bundling data and functionality together, right? So now I think you get some point of class. So now I start object. Here I'm also write the object. In one line you can say uh, an object is an instance of class, right? So and you got if you want to logically answer, then object get their variable and function. So here I am creating Amitabh Bachchan. This is a class, right? Inside this, lot of property, data, attributes, and functionality there. Here I am explaining class provides a means of bundling data and functionality. So here I am taking example of dialogue because dialogue, you know that Amitabh Bachchan very famous, right? And actor in which Amitabh Bachchan's dialogue. Okay, so here I am write only two dialogue, but Amitabh Bachchan have multiple dialogue, right? So in this is a dialogue which is delivered, right? Yeah, you can say deliver dialogue, right? Which this is a function concept. I'm not explaining everything about the function. If you want to get more concept about function, then comment below. I'll make video on this. So and here this is a mimicry artist with Amitabh Bachchan, right? This is a celebrity. And here I make object. This mimicry artist is same as a Amitabh Bachchan, right? Same as a means what? This mimicry artist doing mimicry as same as a Amitabh Bachchan, right? This makes sense, okay? And what I'm saying to that, right? Amitabh Bachchan is speaking some dialogue, right? Just like one most famous रिश्ते में मैं तुम्हारा बाप लगता हूँ लेकिन मेरा नाम है साइंसा, right? This is one dialogue. So if I want to listen this dialogue to Amitabh Bachchan, yeah, from Amitabh Bachchan, then it's very difficult to get contact with Amitabh Bachchan. So what I'm doing that this mimicry artist, right? This mimicry artist same way deliver as a dialogue as same as Amitabh Bachchan, right? In this is here inside the Amitabh Bachchan is here I am right to dialogue. And what is a deliver dialogue? This is a function which returns something dialogue. But you can without function you can get data from the class. So I'll talk after later. Okay. And here I am right mimicry artist. This is an object. Here I am also right in a comment. This is object. So when you work on a project, right? So here I am right mimicry artist, and this is the instance of this class, right? Here I am writing an object is an instance of class. So in the mimicry artist, all the data will storing in this. Okay, so this mimicry artist same as the this, right? This mimicry artist same as this, and which version dialogue. So how do you you have question how this is same as, right? So I am explaining everything, right? Here I am right mimicry artist. This is a dialogue. Here I am right changing some, so this must be copy. This is a function, right? In this function we pass params kuch bhi and once more. Yeah, please one dialogue. Yeah, you can say more. Please one dialogue. This will return nothing. This will return when here I am write dialogue 1. Right here I am write the dialogue 1. Here see what I am trying to say that. So if from here I give this message, I am saying to mimicry artist, I am not saying to this Amitabh Bachchan, right? I am saying to hey mimicry artist, please one dialogue, please one dialogue, right? And once more. And this mimicry artist return this. Okay, I'll show that how this return. Right here I'm print this value mimicry artist dot first dialog and mimicry artist dot second dialog. So run this program. First need you to save this file and run the program. Here you get the data, right? Please one dialog and once more. So here I'm not saying to Amitabh Bachchan sir, I'm saying to this mimicry artist, hey mimicry artist, please one dialogue in way of Amitabh Bachchan. So this mimicry artist is delivered as the same way in this the Amitabh Bachchan, right? And what you get benefit of this class and object. So here see, I'm nothing can do inside the class. I'm not changing the value inside the class. I'm changing the value from here. You can also change the value from here, right? So if you know if inside the some value, okay, something, right? I mean this not good way. I mean right something, and inside the second dialog, this is a attributes. This is the attributes I am talking about here. A class provides a means of bundling data. This is a this is a bundling of data. Bundling of data means lot of data, right? Bundle of data you can say. So and some functionality, right? Inside the class we can define function lot of according to your need. Inside here inside the class I am defining one definition, one function, but you can define more than one and more than according to you what you want. Okay, more than one and more than two. So and something next something. Okay, next something. Okay, inside this first dialog stored something string and second value next something. But here I am doing what I am I want to change some value, right? I want to change. So I'm here change, right? So here you see in the first dialog will be change. Save the program and run it. So here you see change, right? Here you see change. I'm not changing inside the this Amitabh Bachchan. I'm changing from here object, right? This mimicry artist is an object, and this the first dialog is a attributes of class Amitabh Bachchan, and this value change. I am assign this value, this I am print the value, then it will change. But next something I am not changing this value, then it is a same as a print, right? So I think this is more clear. Why I'm using class and object? First thing you understand. So here you will see I am making class of Amitabh Bachchan, in which lot of attributes, behavior of Amitabh Bachchan, and talking style, deliver message style, walking style is all is same as a mimicry art in this mimicry art. This is nothing. This is a same as a Amitabh Bachchan, and you can do with implementation and practice. You can change the data with this mimicry artist, then it will be return, and this is not affected, right? Class here I am doing something change, so this class is not affected. Why? So that's why I am using this object. This mimicry artist is very useful, and here I am print. You can also do with, okay, here see mimicry artist dot first hello, right? It's same as I'm here. I'm say uh dy मतलब now again change, again change. Let's see what happened, right? Now save it, save the program, run. Okay, 10 minutes. Now again change, here we see now again change. So after this, when I'm this program will be start from here, and after this retrieve the data. Now this is retrieve the data. So here we print now again. I'm not playing with this. I'm not changing here data. I'm changing in a object. Okay. So I think you more clear with now. I think so. How to use in the real problem and real project. So I'm explaining here something with. So I think you clear why. So benefit of what with class and object. So you know that if I want to listen Amitabh Bachchan dialogue with Amitabh Bachchan, right? And same as a just like in the same way of Amitabh Bachchan deliver the dialogue. So that's why I'm not directly contact with Amitabh Bachchan. It is not easy to contact with Amitabh Bachchan, right? But we can easily contact with mimicry artist, right? So with mimicry artist, say, hey, please deliver one dialogue like same as a Amitabh Bachchan. So this mimicry artist will be do that. Okay. So here this is the same as a Amitabh Bachchan. Here I am calling, right? So this mimicry artist is an instance of this Amitabh Bachchan, and this class Amitabh Bachchan is present lot of modeling data and functionality. So now it's clear. So I am here print that and how to use that. From here I am use the example that why, right? Uh, you can, okay, comment. So And here I am write already some code with how to create, right? Need to uncomment this. Here I am write class is a keyword to creating class, right? Here you write your class name. Okay, so this is a keyword for creating your class, and here write class name. Inside the class present attributes data function according to you. So here I am here def is a keyword for creating function. Yeah, define the function. So this is I am my function name, as you like, you give the function name inside the self, and this parameter is passed from here, right? So and inside the your variable I am pass parameter which come from the user, right? So your object, this is your object. How to initialize object? Class, you can create class like this, and you can create object like this your object is a instance of class. I mean, your object is the same as of your class, and you not go there and something will be changed, right? So you can do from here. So your object, your function, and your message, if you print them, then it will print your message. And inside the your object, right, this is a your object, and inside the your variable, and this is will print your variable name. So save it and run. I think first, okay, first save, run the program. Right here, see, your message will be print, and this data will be come from this class. Okay, Amitabh Bachchan next. Yeah, and this is will come, right, your message more. So this will be returned, right, as same. I think hopefully more clear now class and object. If you after this video, if you have a still doubt, then comment below. I'll give reply on your comment. So definitely if you have any doubt, then do message. And I think here more clear. If you want to more video on concern constructor and too much very important topic for placement, just like OOPS concept, in which abstraction, encapsulation, data abstraction, these are very important concept. But if you want to on this topic make video, then comment below. I'll definitely make video and upload this channel. So hopefully I think you understand and you get more clear after this uh, class and object. You never get confused, and you get more clear now. So if you like my video, then like, subscribe, and comment. Have any doubt, do not forget like and subscribe, and share with friend, which is helpful in placement and more concept in a programming language. Okay, so I'll continuously uploading video on programming with some concept. After this programming, I upload on some project. So be subscribe for if you want to more video on the project and programming and this like concept, then must be subscribed. Do not forget it. Thank you for watching.